Hey YouTube, so I am here at the Toronto Tires in Clarkson part of Mississauga to have the winter tires swapped out for the all-season tires. So just gonna show you guys the four tires barely fit the back of my Tesla Model 3. That's how big it is, you know, these 18-inch tires. It's like right up to the back of the trunk. So I also brought with me the TMPS. Alright, I pulled into one of the bays that they have, the two bays. And it's not even 9:30 on Saturday, and lots of cars now waiting to get their car serviced. Yeah, popular place here in Toronto Tires. And there's Todd, the manager, on the right side. Alright, so here's the inside of the Toronto Tire shop. And Todd was just saying that some of these equipments are over $40,000 each. Yeah. State-of-the-art equipment.
They're so easy to use that you're going to mount your own tire kitting. And you'll see.
Todd was saying that a 70-year-old can actually mount the tires based on these state-of-the-art equipments. Yeah. And very nice to meet you, sir. Thank you so much for having me today. Really appreciate your time. You might get a few hits here or there. I'm sure the audience appreciates the knowledge of how tires are mounted and the state-of-the-art equipments you guys have.
This is as good as it gets, man. This is the Hunter Workforce.
Right.
Bentley of balancers.
Right.
And then the mounter is the Hunter Revolution. Again, the Bentley of mounter does not get
any better. Awesome.
Yeah,
so just for the people who are not familiar with balancing, right? So usually you see a little weight on the side of the vehicle. Is that what you're saying when you say balancing? Okay.
We go to the back. This is the weight that we use. We stick on weights.
Cool.
Some of them are hammer-on weights, but most of the clientele we have needs this fancier weight.
Right. Usually the ones that we see are just the clip-ons on the side.
Stick-on is the steel wheels,
yes.
The cheaper wheels.
Right.
Stick-on is anything fancy. That's basically all we do.
And then these ones here are, is it a little bit better than the ones that are clip-on?
Yes, it is better, and it's cosmetically better.
Yes.
And it does not damage the finish on the wheel. Because the other one has to get hammered onto the face.
Right.
Which typically chips the feet.
Yes.
We don't do that, period. You can bring me the oldest Honda Civic, you can bring me the newest Tesla.
Right.
We always try to do that because we treat every rim like it's high. Because that's all we do. We're always
high-end stuff, right? Yeah. Perfect. And then actually Todd was mentioning that a 70-year-old can actually mount the tires over there too.
Yeah. We'll see if we're not too busy right now. Maybe we'll get you to mount one of your own tires.
Oh, I don't know if I can do that.
I told you. I'm like, you're gonna mount your own tires. The machine is foolproof. It does the calculations for you. All you do is stand there and hold the pedal. The machine does everything else for you.
Does all the calculations, everything, eh? Oh wow. It's
obviously someone will watch over you.
Yeah.
Just completely, but
yeah.
It'll be fun if you want to document that.
This is very different than high school's mounting tires. I was just telling Todd that I did it before in an auto shop in high school, but that was hard.
Yeah, that is the old school machine.
Yes.
The machine is very dependent on how skilled the worker is.
Right.
But the new one is, as I said, it'll be cool to see.
And I'm sure it's faster too, right? Having a machine like that rather than, older ones. Perfect. Well, looking forward to having the tires changed. That's great. Thank you. Okay, so we're using the jack with the puck, Tesla hydraulic puck to lift up the vehicle. They changed tires on the outside of their shop. You can see the Tesla pads, hydraulic pads are right there. I call it the puck. So you just have to put the puck in the right place before you start lifting the Tesla vehicle. there you go. And the rims are here. Here's the new rims that are going to be put on the tires. These are the Replica rims from Art, 18-inch wheels. So Replica 214. So I think it'll look great afterwards. Thank you very much. All right, so the tires are being mounted on the rims. This is the Hunter Revolution. There you go. So now it's on. And the TMPS are in, right? Okay, perfect. Thank you so much. So they have taken off the plastic cover. So here's how the tires standard rims would look underneath. There you go. 1 minute, took the tires off. Super fast, these guys. Super efficient. In case you're wondering how it looks on the inside without a tire, here's how the Tesla looks without the actual tires in the back, and here's how it looks on the front without the tires. There you go. Rusted a little bit inside, but hey, I guess that's how it is. Putting on the new rims now. I didn't realize I need to cap there, so I have to get a little cap there. There you go. Thank you very much. Looks great. Alright, so the new rims are on the Michelin Primacy tires. Just looks great. So I just need to get the Tesla cap there to cover this hole, and it looks good. I guess some people likes to paint their brake caliper too, but I'm probably not going to do that myself. But yeah, looking good with the new Replica rims. What do you guys think? Excellent service here. Ryan just put on the cab. Great job, amazing. So here's the inside of the shop here, and Ryan's in the back. Lots of rims to choose from. All colors and all shapes. So I've driven about 1 kilometer, and Ryan was right. The Bluetooth TMPS senses right away, and so it's picking up the correct tire pressure. There's no programming of any kind, so it's basically plug and play. So it's fantastic. Great job there, Ryan. Okay, so just got home, and here's a look at the new rims, Replica rims on the OEM Michelin Primacy tires. Looks great. Toronto Tires did an excellent job, thanks to Ryan, Todd, and his crew. Amazing professional services. Just very efficient and just very fast. If you guys need any tire services, I would highly recommend going to Toronto Tires. Thanks for watching.